Good morning, students. Let us continue with the chapter of carboxylic acids. We had already studied with the methods of preparations of carboxylic acids, and today we will talk about their properties. Let us first study their physical properties. And the first physical property is boiling point. Carboxylic acids are higher boiling liquids as compared to aldehydes, ketones, and alcohols. Why? This is because of extensive association of carboxylic acid molecules through intermolecular hydrogen bonding. You can see the carboxylic acids, they exist as dimers. Di means two, mer means units. Here the two carboxylic units combine due to the hydrogen bonding to form a single unit. That's why their boiling points are higher. Solubility. Aliphatic carboxylic acids up to 4 carbon atoms are miscible in water as they are capable of forming hydrogen bonds with water. You can see the figure below. Here 3 carboxylic acids molecules have made hydrogen bonds with water. But solubility decreases with increase in the number of carbon atoms, because higher the R group, then it hinders in the formation of hydrogen bond. Benzoic acid is nearly insoluble in cold water because of the large hydrocarbon part. Carboxylic acids are also soluble in less polar organic solvents like benzene, ether, alcohol, and chloroform. Then, structure of carboxyl group. C double bond O OH. This is the structure. Here, the carbon is sp2 hybridized and the bonds of carboxyl carbon lie in one plane separated by an angle of 120 degree. This carboxyl carbon is less electrophilic than carbonyl carbon because of the resonance. You can see here the oxygen of OH having lone pair of electrons can give electrons to carbonyl carbon. So, we get these three resonating structures. Because of this, this carbon is less electrophilic as compared to carbonyl carbon. Chemical properties. Let us talk about these chemical properties. And first is acidic nature. The name of these compounds are carboxylic acids. Acids means these are acids. How can you show that these are acids? You can see these are the reactions with metals such as sodium. It forms its salts by removal of hydrogen. With bases, it reacts with base like KOH, NaOH to form their salts with the release of water. Even with weaker base like carbonates and bicarbonates, it forms their salts with the removal of carbon dioxide. The reaction of sodium bicarbonate is basically a test for carboxylic groups. When you add sodium bicarbonate to an carboxylic acid, you will get brisk effervescence due to the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. In water, carboxylic acids dissociate as RCOO negative plus H3O positive. This RCOO negative group is resonance stabilized. You can write the expression for equilibrium constant as given on the screen. Higher the value of Ka, stronger will be the acid. From the Ka, you can also calculate pKa. pKa is minus log of Ka. Lower the value of pKa, stronger will be the acid. Carboxylic acids are weaker than mineral acids, but they are stronger than alcohols and many simple phenols. You can see the pKa value of HCl is -7. Alcohol, it is 16. For phenol, 9.89, and for carboxylic acids, it is 4.76. Carboxylic acids are much more acidic than phenols. You have already learned that phenols are acidic in nature. Just compare the acidic nature of both. You can see the reaction here. The conjugate base of carboxylic acid, which is a carboxylate ion. You can see the carboxylate ion here. It is stabilized by two resonance structure where negative charge fluctuates on two oxygen atoms. Here you have two equivalent resonance structures and negative charges at more electronegative oxygen atoms. But if you check the conjugate base of phenol, which is a phenoxide ion, though you can get 5 resonating structures there, but the negative charge is at less electronegative carbon atom. Therefore, resonance in phenoxide ion is not much important as it is in carboxylate ion. Effect of substituents on acidic nature of carboxylic acids. Electron withdrawing groups increase the acidity of carboxylic acids by stabilizing the conjugate base, because conjugate base has got negative charge. If you add electron withdrawing groups to it, then that negatively charged means carbon ion will be stabilized due to delocalization by inductive effect or by resonance effect. Whereas electron donating groups decrease the acidity as they increase the intensity of negative charge on the conjugate base. Means if CF3 group is added, that will be more acidic, then NO2, then CN, then fluoro, chloro, bromo, iodo, and then phenyl group. You can also see the sequence below. CF3COH, that is more acidic, then CCl3COOH, CHCl2, NO2. So this sequence you must just check. From here you can see benzoic acid means C6H5COOH group, that is less acidic as compared to aliphatic acids. Direct attachment of groups such as phenyl or vinyl increases the acidity of corresponding carboxylic acid due to resonance effect. You can see here this is CH2CH COOH group. Here the resonance is present. So acidity is increased. Then we have 4-methoxybenzoic acid. You can see the structure OCH3 group. This is also an electron releasing group. It will also decrease the acidity. So here again similar. Here the effect of substituents on aromatic acid is given. You can see the Z. If NO2 is there, pK is 3.4, CHO 3.8 with Cl 4, H 4.2 with CH3 4.3, OH is 4.1. 5. So here also you can see electron withdrawing group increase the acidic character, whereas electron releasing group decrease the acidic character. So this is all for the day. Thank you.